Why are the buttons on computer keyboards called keys? A computer keyboard is a board of keys. Why are these buttons called keys? Is it related to the usage of piano keys?
Key meaning, computing, one of several small, usually square buttons on a typewriter or computer keyboard, mostly corresponding to text characters, derives from the keys, mechanisms, of musical instruments according to Etym Online. Keyboard. 1819, from key in sense of mechanism of a musical instrument plus board. Originally of pianos, organs, etc., extended to other machines 1846. The verb is first recorded 1926, implied in keyboarding. Key. Musical sense of tone, note is 15C, but modern sense of scale is 1580s, probably as a translation of Latin clavis or French clef, C clef, also see keynote. Extended C, 1500 to mechanism on a musical instrument.